Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about how we can set the allowed countries for the shipping in Magento 2. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. Steps to configure allowed shipping countries. So first of all, go to the stores. Okay, we have a configurations, we have a journal. First of all, then log in. If it is not logged in, admin, it's logged in. Go to the stores, go to the configurations, go to journal. Okay, then we have allowed countries. So suppose I will just go and mark India, right? And this would be my save configurations. Okay, so country currently allowed is India only. You can add the multiple also, right? So save this and flush the cache if it is there. So go to system, then go to the cache management, just go to flush cache management, right? Or you can do it via CMD also. Okay, so let's add this product to the cart. Okay, check out. Okay, so here I'm going to add my email address test. Okay, create account, first name test, last name test. Okay, street address, 24 Chandigarh. Okay, and here you can see that only India is coming because I have selected only India for the shipping part, right? So here you can manage from the stores configuration. Here whatever you want to match it or use the default one, save this configuration, then go to the system, then cache management, then flush this. Now you will get all the current countries, right? So just reload this, and here you will get all the countries right now. Okay, so here you can see that all the countries. Okay, so this is how you can set the countries. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.